hopefully, hopefully, hopefully you guys notice that this video, or at least should be, in better quality. And that's actually all around the board. So, if you're unfamiliar, I was originally using my phone camera when I first started this channel. Then we went to multiple GoPros to do this stuff. And now I actually have a nice camera. And yeah, I'm broke. But that's okay. Because this is something I worked all summer for. So I could get one of these cameras. Now, that being said, what does that mean for quality? Well, I'm not doing this because I think this is going to make me a better YouTuber. It's not. That's not what this is about. I'm not doing it because I think it's going to get more views on the videos. Well, it might, but nah, not really either. I'm not doing this because I'm full of myself and think that I'm a professional YouTuber. That's not it either. I just wanted a cool camera to mess around with and be able to do videos with. Just because I really enjoy doing this. It's a hobby. It's something I like doing the videos of. I like to be able, I mean, with the GoPros, you can only do so much, but having the ability to swap out lenses, things like that, yeah, I think that having a nice camera to practice some, video skills and enjoy, making videos even more, really the only reason why I got it. So, I've talked about this that currently only one person that watches this channel knows about, and that's someone on my Discord server. But yeah, so I've gotten myself a pretty solid camera, and in today's video, I'm sure I'll probably already include stuff. I'm going to have plenty of shots of me just showing off stuff, enjoying the camera. It's pretty high definition. I've got to go through, and for the camera, we'll probably have that come out later. I'll talk about that. I do plan on doing a couple builds though. I have a build that I've wanted to do. It's the Be Quiet build, but I did a stream of it. I never got around to recording it. Well, I'm going to redo it, and I'm going to make it a nice, spicy video. We're also going to benchmark it, test it, things like that. Also, I've figured out what's up with the audio. So the audio should be substantially better than what it was before, because beforehand I had my mixer apparently has some issue with it, and it sounds like a jet engine in the background, which actually I thought it was the air conditioner sitting over there, but likely you don't hear that as much. So that's probably problem solved, and therefore not a big deal. So yeah, it's just going to be a wild adventure. And also I got the wrong lens for the camera, so it's sitting, that's why I'm not recording back there, because there's not enough space. See this? It's literally sitting like 10 feet away. So that's my stupidity, but for right now we're using the lens, so I'm happy. But yeah, so I'll have all the pretty shots of, different things, showcasing different close-ups. You guys will surely know about this camera eventually, what I've decided to get. I'm actually really happy with it, but for me it's not about bragging. I didn't even do an unboxing for it, simply because A, it's camera stuff, and camera stuff is already out there millions of times. People would do it all the time. But B, because I really think that this was something that was more personal for me, something that I've wanted just myself, and I really kind of wanted to be that way. And so that's what this channel will you'll notice it now in the videos, that there'll be a lot higher quality, a lot higher audio quality, a lot higher video quality. That's if I get this computer boosted up. I need to, oh boy, I need to throw like 3 more graphics cards in there now. Time to buy a new power supply. And yeah, I gotta like throw as many graphics cards, processing cores in there. I might even need to make a budget workstation build. That might be coming up next. But for the most part, you should see a noticeable difference in the quality of the channel's stuff. So I hope you guys notice that in the future videos. I think I'm shooting for Friday is the day that I don't know about Friday. I'm thinking since this video will be Wednesday, I might do another video showcasing some few things. We may do something Friday. We may do a little bit. I might do some B-roll and stuff. But really the problem is that I'm getting a different lens, so that way it should allow me to do a little bit more rather than sit at a nice distance that I can't even see the screen on it. But yeah, that is going to be this lovely video. I figured it was such an important thing. I'm proud of it because it's not, and I'm proud of it because it's something that I've wanted to do, and since it's such a hobby that I really enjoy, I was kind of happy to get something nice to go through and make videos instead of GoPros, because GoPros are nice and all, but you can't do any blurred backgrounds. I mean, you guys can't even like make out anything back here now. It's nice. I'm in focus. That's the other nice. And I can do some really cool shots, which I'll of course have all up above here. But yeah, I'm also gonna show off my Lego collection. I just realized that that's probably already been on there before, but that's when the idea came up, and that's B-roll's coming up next. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. So yeah, that's been a quick update, I guess. Channel update, yay. But no, I really happy finally get something that's nice. Actually get a nice camera that I can do lenses and blurred backgrounds and stuff. Hopefully means higher quality. Who knows? Thank y'all for watching. Bye.